roughly 9 miles an hour. It's about 75 stories in a minute. So your ears may need a pop, so just move your jaw and try to swallow, and they should pop. You guys have any other questions before you go into the cave?
Oh, we were here yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has there been a fallout, or has any part of it come down?
Not recently. So there may be teeny little formations. Most of the stuff that has fallen has fallen before we found the cave.
Oh.
So, or where we made it fall.
And when did you find it?
The cave was originally founded, I'm not exactly sure the correct date, but I do know it was in the 1900s by a 16-year-old by the name of Jim White. 16 years old. So, and he actually explored the cave by himself.
Before he told anybody else he
Yes.
found it?
So